Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Sports Therapy channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about plantar heel pain, also known as plantar fasciitis or a plantar fasciopathy. Now this is a common foot condition that can be frustrating, especially if you're a runner or someone who spends a lot of time on your feet. So today we're going to cover the symptoms, causes, and most importantly how to treat it. So let's get into it. What is plantar heel pain? A plantar fasciopathy is the most common cause of heel pain. It happens when the plantar fascia, a thick band of tissue that runs along the bottom of your foot, becomes irritated and painful. It's often mistakenly called plantar fasciitis, but research suggests that it's more of a degenerative condition than an inflammatory one, which is why we use the term fasciopathy instead. The symptoms include pain under the heel, especially when taking your first steps in the morning, discomfort after long periods of standing or after exercise, pain that might ease as you move but then worsen after prolonged activity, tenderness when pressing on the inside of the heel. Causes of plantar heel pain or a plantar fasciopathy can come in a mixed variety of different factors, including overuse and sudden increase in activity, common in runners and people who stand a lot for work. Poor footwear, so wearing unsupportive shoes can put extra strain on the fascia. Tight calves and Achilles tendon, as this increases stress on the plantar. And foot biomechanics, so people with flat feet, high arches or overpronation can contribute to the problem. Also got to bear in mind that excess weight can cause more load on the foot, which means more stress on the fascia. Now the good news is that you can manage and recover from plantar heel pain with the right approach, and here's what helps. First and foremost, load management. So we want to reduce out of our routine any aggravating activities that cause pain and symptoms. Next up, stretching and strengthening. So calf stretches are really good for plantar heel pain, and we hold those for around 30 seconds and we can repeat those 2 to 3 times. We can also do a plantar fascia stretch for the similar duration by pulling the toes back while sitting. And we can also incorporate some foot strengthening. So 10 to 15 repetitions of 3 sets of towel scrunches or toe curls to help improve foot control and strength. Paying attention to footwear now, so wearing good quality trainers or shoes with good arch support is highly recommended. You may in some cases need custom or over-the-counter insoles just to help with a little bit of even weight distribution across the foot. Self-massage, so massaging the arch of your foot with a tennis, golf or spiky ball can feel quite satisfying. So once pain improves, we want to then gradually build strength back with exercises like calf raises and single leg balance drills. And last but by no means least, medical treatment may be required, and this is extremely rare, where we may need a corticosteroid injection just to help manage that pain and discomfort. And there we have it. In a nutshell, plantar heel pain can be a very stubborn condition, but with the right approach, you can get back to pain-free movement. Now do let me know if you've had plantar heel pain before and what helped you recover. Do let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Sports Therapy channel, and do hit the notification bell for more injury prevention and rehab tips. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we hopefully will see you on the next one. So thanks a lot for watching, and bye for now.